I just went out driving a new car. Yes, a new car. Like, come on, what the fuck? Well, I found a new car I actually want to get, the GTI Club Sport. And again, yeah, welcome to the POV. This is just that I was on the road. I'm like, well, why not? It's a lovely weather, and we're going to do on narrow roads or whatever we call it. So why not? But yeah, I was out test driving a GTI Club Sport, and I gotta say, god damn, it's a lovely car, and it's definitely a car I have a 100% chance I'm going to buy either that or the GT86. And why GTI Club Sport is because I don't want a four-wheel drive. I actually want either wheel or front-wheel drive because I want to play something. I want to have a challenge instead of being full motion. Whee! So, and also have it's a very, very, very powerful car. Like really, damn. I am speechless. Like really, it's comfortable, it's sporty, it's economic, it's like it is. You sit really good. You sit tight when you push it, but you also sit nice and comfortable when you're just cruising. It's like, goddamn, Volkswagen, you did a really good job. And it's not that hard that people say like GT Club Sport is a hard. No, it's actually not that hard. And also, it's not the. It is brutal if you push it. It's brutal in the exhaust. It really is, but it is lovely. So gotta say, like, seriously, god damn, that car is the car I'm definitely getting probably next year, but still it's a car I am saving up for that 100% because goddamn it's beautiful. And I don't want the new GTI Club Sport. I want the one from this generation that I have right here, the 2016 or 17 Mark 6, Mark 7. Don't want the Mark 8, don't want the Mark 8.5. I want the Mark 7 GTI Club Sport because it still have all the manual buttons, analog, not digital, not touch button, not all that stuff, and actually have a soul. So very nice car. And yeah, this is again just a POV cruising in Denmark with some lovely weather. It's almost 20 degrees. It's 20 degrees outside. 20 degrees outside, windy, a little bit windy, but overall it's actually quite comfortable. So, and I know this sounds, what the fuck, why you're going to that is because then at least I can do something so you don't see this. And I'm just going to go to this, go to car, and then I'm gonna go into setup, and then I'm gonna go into overwhelming system. No, don't matter, don't care. And also we're gonna remove this because again we just want to have a little bit of fun. I know it's gonna blame me about you have front assist and blah blah off, but again, just to give it a little bit of I can toy with you, or I can, yeah. But as you can hear, it's very windy outside. At least it's sunny and good weather, but it still is windy. So, and apparently a car is following me. I don't know why, but there's a car following me since I went out from the dealer. There's an Audi A3 following me with 2 people in it. So, don't know why, but they are. I don't know why, but they are following me. I'm like, is it because I recorded something, or yeah? Why are they doing this to me? Yes, finally you can go away. And no, I'm not gonna push it because again it's the 60 zone, and I don't want to lose my driver license. Sorry to say. But also that launch control of that car, damn, it is very, like, really, it is really, really comfortable and handling amazingly, even if I have that much power in this front wheel drive. It's like, damn. And I've only drove like 6k, so. It is pretty nice, I would say so. And it sounds a lot better than this. But again, it's also a little bit of a bigger engine, not huge, but it's a little bit. So, It is pretty nice. I don't know why we're going under 70, under 60. It's an 80 zone Audi. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? It's an 80 zone. We're driving 60 to 70. Like, come on. What are you guys doing? Okay, it's gonna take the B roads, yes, good. But yeah, we're gonna take some small roads and see what's going to happen. I'm gonna brake because again, I don't want to get my... And it's 5 minutes. I'm probably gonna try to make this recording only 10 minutes to 15 minutes long because again, I don't want to be too long. But life is going pretty good right now. I have vacation. I have 1 week vacation off for work, so that's why I've been doing some cleanup. I've went to where you throw trash at, or trash out. I've been there. I walked with my dog. I've cleaned a little bit, and now I went out to that car. Now I'm going to buy some groceries. Go to the grocery store to buy some food, and then I will go home. Also, I'll go home, make some TikTok live streaming with building my new PC, or building the new cabinet to my PC. I'm also going to record that. Also, there's a video come out today on a new PC case I bought to my PC. So if you want to check that out, go check it out. I have all the social media linked down in the description if you want to. So that is pretty nice. So yeah. We're going through some road work, don't know why, but we are going through it. I will never like this, never. But yeah, I can't forget that GTE Clubsport. I'm sorry to say it's Volkswagen. You're gonna keep me because goddamn it was amazing. It sounded really good. I was like, okay, this is the car for me. 100% this is the car for me. Because goddamn it drove good. It drove nice, good, and everything was just mamma mia, very nice. What are people doing? Are they gonna go or are they not gonna go? Like, what the hell is going on? What the hell? Can we drive? Nope, okay, never mind. And then we're gonna put it in traction. Gonna put it in manual mode. We're gonna gear down a little bit, so at least it's in the gears. In the gears again, second gear. And all of you do whatever you want to. People are looking, I don't care whatever people think. This is also, yeah, it's some shaky B roads, I know. Oof. It doesn't sound bad. I know it's a little bit windy, but it's... That GTE Clubsport sounds a lot better, but still it's not the worst about this car, I would say. It's not that... It's sounding good. It doesn't sound aggressive. It doesn't sound overly loud, but still it's actually quite nice of sounding this. That's why I like this car. And you're driving too fast in your fucking... Mercedes. I don't get why people drive fast in a Mercedes. I'm like, it is not a fast car. That electric car is only for driving really nice and not for driving fast. I don't know why, but we're just gonna punch it. And hit it. I can't get tired of that noise. Don't know if you can hear it, but I can't. Cannot get tired of that noise. It is just lovely. And as you can see, the miles on this one is actually good. You just drive very slowly, relaxing, just cruising along. It's actually really economically, like I said. But when you start punching it, it's not that. But we're doing pretty good, I would say. But overall, it's nice weather. So, but I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys listen to the last 10 minutes of just pure sound, or whatever we call it. So, and remember, again, just last thing, remember, if you like these videos or you like me doing this, you want to see me do something else with the POV, no problem, just ask, as long as it's just about car related stuff, because this channel is about cars. So And I'm really glad that you liked the video. I can see it's getting views and likes and you're subscribing, so it's not that shitty, the content. It's apparently some people do like it, so that's very nice. I like it, very nice. So can't be mad. But of course, next car I'm going to do more content making. Next year when I'm getting my new car, or buying my new car, I will 100% have more content on that as well, because then I can modify it. Because I do want a stock GTI Club Sport, because then I can modify it myself without buying one that's already modified and stuff. But I want to have a stock one, so. But I'm just gonna shut up now and let the road, the car speak for itself. This car, my car, whatever we call it.